Hey everyone! Want to create a stunning AI generated art with Wombo Dream AI? Today, I'll show you how to write expert level prompts to get the best results. Let's get started. First, you must remember that when writing your description, the more details you provide, the better the AI understands your vision. As you can see here, the extra details help the AI generate richer and more accurate images. Second, you may want to incorporate vivid, descriptive words to enhance the result. Try adjectives like hyperrealistic, cinematic lighting, vivid colors, dreamlike, and highly detailed. Also, you may also want to remember that the AI works best when you separate the subject from the environment. Just look at my example. For bonus tips, you may want to experiment with different art styles. You may also want to use advanced prompting techniques like word weighting if supported, and you may also add negative prompts for cleaner images, such as no blurry details or no distortions. And that's it. Now you know how to prompt like an expert to create perfect AI art with Wombo Dream AI.